Okay, right now I'm on the Shield TV HDMI input. Try out Google Assistant or voice commands on the LG OLED. What's the weather like tomorrow?
In Purple Church tomorrow, it'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 6 and a low of 1 degree Celsius.
Okay, that's great. Change the living room lights to white. Seems to work.
Changing the living room to white.
Change the living room lights to bright white. It's pretty speedy.
Okay, changing the living room to bright white.
Turn the volume down by 10%.
Sorry, I can't change the volume.
Oh! Okay. Change the channel to BBC One HD. What? What? Why? Change the input to Freeview.
Search results for change the input to Freeview.
Okay. Change the input to FreeSat.
Search results for change the input to FreeSat.
LG A-hAAn Q. Great. Change the input. Oh, maybe I should have said live TV. Change the input to live TV. Kings of the what?
I don't understand.
Nor do I. Change the input to live TV. Turn the volume up.
Here's a matching video.
Oh! Turn the volume up. It did it. Turn the volume down. Change the input to NVIDIA Shield. Didn't think that would work. Change the input to HDMI 1.
Input will be changed to HDMI 1 now.
Can you hear that voice? Can you hear how tragic it sounds? LG ThinQ isn't worth the paper it's written on, honestly. Okay, so I'm going to test out the Google Assistant features that integrate with the LG TV. Let's see how good they are. Hey Google, tell LG to turn off the TV.
Alright, let's get LG.
Okay.
Okay. Okay Google, tell LG to turn on the TV.
Sorry, your TV is turned off. Please turn on your TV and try again.
Stop! But that's what I want to do. Right. Okay. Let me just turn it back on. Okay. Hey Google, tell LG to launch YouTube.
It looks like there's a problem.
This is reliable. Hey Google, tell LG to launch YouTube.
Sorry, your TV is turned off. Please turn on your TV and try again.
Wait a minute. What? Okay, let me try this one more time. Fourth time's the charm. Hey Google, tell LG to launch YouTube.
It looks like there's a problem.
Okay, here's the problem. LG, you suck. as you can see, we're not off to a great start.
Sorry, your TV is turned off.
Uh,
Please turn on
Apparently LG still thinks my TV is turned off. This pretty much sums up Google Assistant and LG OLEDs. If you're thinking of buying an OLED because of this feature, don't. We all know that OLEDs have really good picture quality, but it has its own issues as well. LG really needs to pull its thumb out and get them fixed. For instance, the jittery mess that you get when you're watching TV. The Google Assistant is half-baked. Like, why even bother saying this is a AI feature when AI doesn't even work half the time, not even half the time. Okay, signing out. Take it easy.